Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Binance link. First, understand that a referral link provides advantages, often a discount on trading fees. These links are a simple way to save money while trading cryptocurrencies. You can either find an existing link shared by others or create your own unique link to share with friends. We will cover both methods to ensure you can easily access or generate these beneficial links. To find an existing Binance referral link, start by checking reputable online crypto communities or asking friends who already use Binance. Always verify the link's legitimacy to ensure you receive the advertised benefits, such as a 10% trading fee discount. Once you have a valid link, simply click it to begin the registration process for your new Binance account, automatically applying the referral code. If you want to create your own Binance referral link, first log into your existing Binance account. Then, navigate to the referral section, usually found under your profile menu. Here, you can customize your link, deciding what percentage of the commission you want to share with your referrals. Once set, generate your unique link and share it widely to start earning from your friends' trading activities. Using or creating a Binance referral link offers significant advantages for everyone involved. New users can enjoy valuable trading fee discounts, often around 10% to 20%, while referrers earn a percentage of their friends' trading fees. This creates a win-win situation for the entire community. Remember to check the description for links to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to enhance your digital life.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.